Hey there everyone, welcome back. So today I want to share with you our back patio makeover. Our house was definitely in need of a makeover outside. We have a lot of projects actually to do outside. And this one though was first on our list, so that way we can at least enjoy the outside a little bit. This was something that we did contract out because it was a big project, and we got a really good deal because we also needed some concrete work done in the front of our house. So it just made sense to get a stamped concrete patio board, and I'm so happy that we did. We did a flagstone pattern and it looks beautiful. They did a great job on it, but now it's time to decorate it. So the first thing I knew that I wanted on my patio and to define the space was a gazebo, and I'm so thankful that Sunjoy reached out and they are sponsoring this video today. They sent me a gazebo to put on my patio. You can check them out at their website. They have all kinds of different outdoor products so that way you can enjoy your outdoor space as well. Use my code Jessica Lynn for 13% off. All of those links are down below in the description box. The gazebo that they sent to us was the 11 by 13 brown cedar gazebo with a metal roof. To put this gazebo up, my husband and I did it ourselves. It was pretty simple to do. We followed the directions and they were pretty self-explanatory. We made a couple mistakes along the way and we had to go back and take a few things apart and redo it, but that's just because we read the instructions wrong. But it took us in total about 10 hours to completely put up the piece. If we wouldn't have made those mistakes, it probably would have took us a little less time, but things happen. But we broke up the 10 hours into a couple days. So we got the main structure up. And then the next day we put on the roof. The roof was pretty easy to put on, but you definitely need 2 people and a ladder to do that, so that way you can reach all the way up to the top because it's pretty tall. Once the gazebo was up, we needed to anchor it into our concrete so that way it wasn't going anywhere. The gazebo did come with stakes to stake each one of the posts into like a grassy area, but unfortunately that wasn't going to work for us in our concrete. So we were off to Ace Hardware and we picked up some of these concrete anchor and screws and bolts. So then my husband drilled with a concrete drill bit into where you would put those stakes at, and then just applied those anchors and those bolts to hold everything down, and then we just covered it up with the cover, and that worked perfectly. So now that the gazebo is up, I want to decorate the inside and make it cozy. So I added some lights around the inside of the gazebo. I used these command hooks that are made for outdoor usage, and I just used those to hold the wires down as I worked my way around the gazebo hanging the lights. To utilize the hook in the center of the gazebo, I found this outdoor fan at Lowe's. I love how it matches perfectly with the roof of the gazebo, and all I did was just run the cord along the support of the roof, and then I was able to plug it in. I decided to add an outdoor rug underneath the gazebo, and I found this one at Target. I love the boho design of it. And I know it's white, but it is an outdoor rug, so hopefully it'll be easily washable if I just spray it off. So we eat outside a lot in the summer months, so a dining set for us was a must to put underneath our gazebo. So I added this wood one from Amazon, and I think it works perfectly with the gazebo and the cedar posts. To set on top of the table, I just had this outdoor checkers set that I never used that I got from Five Below last year. And then I also added a couple of these lanterns from Five Below that I just spray painted white. The last thing this gazebo needed was just something to block the sun on the one side when the sun goes down at night. So instead of adding curtains, which I might do later, I decided to add this outdoor shade that I got from Amazon, and it works perfectly so that way we can enjoy the gazebo in the evening. And that was all I did to decorate underneath the gazebo. I love how it turned out. It's such a cozy spot now. And as you can see, we definitely have a lot of work to do around the patio, but at least this space is checked off our list now, and we have something to enjoy after we're done working out in the yard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications before you leave. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.